niggas with the fly ass finger. Murder Mike on the mic, and I rap hella tight, and I'm up all night slanging rocks to a height in a Nissan truck, and it got hella bump with a light skinned freak, and you know I'm about to fuck. Mad ass motherfucking do-rag, nigga. Bad ass acting fool, who that nigga do-rag? I'm in the hood at the dope spot, and a nigga cooking rocks like a poke chop. Murder Mike roll through with the old English brew, and I slap a motherfucker and his grandmama too. We cook rocks and sell them like hotcakes. Gas get turned off, cook them on hot plates. Got the gat on my